Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix if you are facing due to repeated failed login attempts on the Snapchat. So how you can fix this problem, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So this error will be happen when you continuously give a wrong password while logging to your Snapchat account. So how you can fix it? First of all, you have to open your browser and right here you have to search for the sport Snapchat. Once you will do it, here you will see sport.snapchat.com link. So here you will see my account is logged. Simply you have to click on it. Once you will do it, here you will see multiple options. From here scroll up and here you will see unlock your account. Click on it. Once you will do it, here you have to enter the username or the email of your account, then password. Then you have to fill this captcha, and after that maybe they are asking to fill a form that why your account is locked, or how you can how they can help you to recover your account. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.